Good morning, everybody. How are you? Or maybe it's not morning. Maybe it's the afternoon. Maybe it's the middle of the night. I don't know. You can watch this video whenever you want. I'm going to talk you through our chicken assignment for this week. So Miss Baker, our lovely digital teacher librarian, helped Mr. Wooldridge and his wife, really it was his wife, Mrs. Sounder, who has been taking care of these chicks and hatching them. So we've got some cool stuff to do with that this week. So you'll see that there is an assignment posted on Tuesday and that it's for the whole week. But when you open the attached Google Doc, it is going to walk you through what to do it day by day. So when you open your assignment, it should look something like this with the title. This is 50 points, content progress. And the attached assignment is this one down here. So when I'm referring to that, that's what I mean. So I'm going to open that up. So you're going to need some kind of science journal for this week. So you could find some scrap paper and make a journal. If you have a spiral, that works. If you actually have your science notebook, sweet, use that. If you don't have any paper, just start a Google Doc and please call it, what did I say for the directions? Let's see, right here. Call it Chicken Science Journal and make sure you share it with your science teacher. So there's my email, but if you have Miss Wheeler, then you need to share it with Miss Wheeler, okay? So Tuesday is called Chicken Eggs and Candling, like a candle, okay? So you're gonna watch the video, it's linked right there. And then you're gonna go over to this website and read what candling is. And then you're gonna watch the video of Mrs. Sounder and Mrs. Baker doing the candling. And then you're going to write in that science journal I asked you to make the answer to this question: why would farmers need to candle their eggs? So you just write that answer in your science notebook. Notice it says 2 to 3 sentences. Okay, I'm noticing that your writing is getting shorter and shorter and shorter, so your grade will get lower and lower and lower. So write. I'm not there to talk to you, so the only way I can see what you're thinking is through your writing. Okay, so make sure you're really clear. Make sure you have lots of good juicy details in there. Okay. So that's Tuesday. So you'll notice on Tuesday there is nothing to post in Google Classroom or anything like that. You are just writing in that science notebook on Tuesday and watching those videos, okay? So then Wednesday, similar thing. You're watching the video about how chicks develop in the egg, and then you're watching Chickens Day 18 when Mrs. Sounder is getting ready to hatch her eggs. And then you're going to read the article about why eggs have different colors, and then you're answering 2 questions in your science journal. So you'll notice the first question, you only have to write 1 sentence. What color do all chicken eggs start out as? And then the second question, you will need to write 2 to 3 sentences. So thinking about everything you've learned so far about the maintenance and resources to care for chickens, why do you think scientists recommend eating vegan to help reduce pollution and climate change? So you're going to have to like connect some dots there. Ooh, think about what you've learned about what helps reduce climate change and pollution. Think about what kind of resources have to be used to raise chickens. And think about why not eating chickens or eggs might help reduce our impact on the planet, okay? So again, on Wednesday, there's nothing to put in Google Classroom. You are just writing in your journal, okay? All right, Thursday, hatching chicks. Exciting times, guys. Watch the Great Chicken Hatch video, and then watch the chicks 1 day old, and then you're answering in your question in your science journal for Wednesday. How cute are the chicks? On a scale on the low end of so cute to the high end of so cute it burns my eyes and brings me to my knees, or anywhere in between, or even higher. You describe to me, how cute are the chicks? Because they're so fluffy and cute. Maybe not super cute when they first come out of the egg. They look a little bit dinosaur-like, but they get really cute when they dry out and they're fluffy. All right, so again, nothing to turn in. You're just writing in your science journal or typing in your science journal. Okay, Friday, chickens. Watch these 2 videos, Chickens Outside and Chickens Week 1 and 2. Then you're going to take this Google assessment right here. So you're going to click in it, and it's going to ask you which chicken do you think is the cutest. So in these videos, Mrs. Sounder, Souder, I'm saying her name wrong. I apologize. Souder. She says the names of the chicks, and actually she says 2 of them have the same name, I guess. But this is my test to see, are you watching the videos? So when you go in that quiz, it's not going to be a like, just click which one you think's the cutest. You're going to have to type in the name of the chick. So check your spelling, and you're actually going to have to watch the videos to be able to do that. And that's worth 5 work habits points. Okay. If for some reason it tells you got it wrong because your spelling was off, don't worry about it. When I grade it, I'll go in, and as long as it's close enough to the correct spelling that I can tell what it is, I will still give you 4 points. Okay. But you got to have it spelled correctly to get all 5. Okay. And then you're going to answer these questions in your journal. So there's 2 choices, okay? The first one is if you have actually raised chickens yourself and hatched eggs yourself. So if you have done that before, then you're going to actually answer the second question here, which I think I have it backwards. So I'll fix that. But I want you to answer this question if you have hatched chicks before at home, or like at school or in 4-H or something like that. So then I want you to just tell me what differences and similarities did you find between how Mrs. Souter hatched her chicks. I wrote her name wrong again. What is wrong with me? Geez, I apologize. So what are the differences and similarities between how she hatched her chicks and how you have hatched chicks before? Okay, again, 2 to 3 sentences. And then if you have never hatched chicks in your life, this is brand new, like it was to me because I've never done it before, then you're going to answer this question. What surprised you about the process of hatching chicks? Like, for instance, I didn't know that you had to rock them while they were incubating. I had no idea. And I wonder why. I don't know. So again, just picking one question to answer on Friday, and it depends on if you've hatched chicks before or not. Okay. And then you are just going to upload a picture of your journal into Google Classroom on Friday. So I will have a posted question on Friday that asks you to attach a picture of your journal, or if you did it in a Google Doc, you can attach that there too. Make sure the picture is good enough that I can read your answers. Okay. So let's see, that's it for this week. Make sure you check in every day on Google Classroom still, because there's going to be clarified directions for this is what you do today. But again, one day at a time, and hopefully this will be fun. I know you're still watching videos, but at least they're like really cool baby chick videos. So yeah, enjoy. Thanks guys. Email your science teacher if you have any questions. We miss you.